You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want me.
Hey loves, so it's day one and we're gonna go out to eat soon. So I put on some makeup. My sister thinks I'm weird that I did that, but whatever, you know, her opinion's irrelevant. So I'm wearing my glasses that I got from Firmo and I think they're so cute, and don't mind my super like crazy hair. This is car hair, so. But I'm just wearing shorts and a little lacy bralette, my necklace, my glasses, and this pink little shirt. I'll probably go show you guys in the mirror in a second. And yeah, I'll probably show you guys around when we get food, and we're gonna go look at souvenirs. And I think we need to get some groceries and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much all we've done today. Is we drove all the way through Florida, and we went and got Waffle House for breakfast, and then about 10:30 we got to my grandma's house, which is where we're staying. And then I didn't feel good, so I didn't go to the pool with my brother and my sister. But after that, I read, got ready, and now we're gonna go to eat, and it's almost 3, so yeah. Alright guys, so my glasses are Firmo. My necklace that I'm obsessed with is from Amazon. My bralette is Rue 21. My shirt is from Goodwill. It was like $3. And then my shorts are from Rue 21. So yeah, that's my outfit, and we're gonna go eat, and yeah. Hey guys, so hopefully you can hear me. It's pretty loud out here, but I'm just outside laying in the backyard tanning, and it's currently day 2 of Florida. And this morning we woke up and ate breakfast, and then we went to the beach for like an hour, and me and my sister got a bunch of pictures for Instagram, and I already posted one and it's super cute. And then we went out to eat, went shopping, and none of us found anything, which was kind of disappointing, but you know, whatever. And then we went to the pool for like an hour and a half or so. And then I came outside after we got back from the pool, and I think it's like now 5:30, maybe almost 6 or something, I don't really know. But I've just been outside like tanning and reading and listening to music, and I made my playlist video public today. And yesterday I got these super cute little dolphin earrings for me and my best friend, and I got this bracelet and a matching one for me and my boyfriend. So yeah, that's pretty much all we've been today. My grandma's gonna make dinner tonight, and then that's pretty much it. I think we're gonna go back to the beach. I might film, I don't know. I'm trying to like stay in the moment a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying so far, and I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, it's day 3, and I just got done getting ready. Like, so I showered, did my makeup, got dressed. So we're gonna go to Target, Starbucks, and then Taco Bell and putt-putting. And yeah, I just did supernatural makeup, and I did these 2 tiny space buns and then curled my hair. I burned my hand, and I did supernatural makeup, and I have on a stripy shirt that I got from Charlotte Russe, and then this like overall skirt thing that I got from Roots Me One. So yeah, and I just got my necklace on. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my glasses today or not. I haven't decided. But that's pretty much all. I tanned a lot today. We went out to lunch at this place called the Sweet Tomato. It's pretty good. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys later.
Oh, and that's not how to do it.
That is golfers etiquette.
Hi guys. So we're at, what beach is this again? Bunch Beach. And we're just walking around for a while, and then later we're gonna go out to eat at our favorite place. She's gonna get her shrimp, which is disgusting.
No, it's not.
I didn't say that. And then we're gonna go to the pool, and I'm already burnt to a crisp, but you know, it's probably fine. And I'll keep you guys updated later. Can I say anything? Bye guys.